You know what's crazy? We've built robots that can run, jump, even fight, but cleaning floors? That's still mostly manual. Not anymore. Because this might be the first time a cleaning machine actually thinks. This is the BG1 series from Spectrum Robotics, and it's being called the world's first AI-native scrubber dryer robot. Not smart, not automated, but something closer to aware. Let me show you what that actually means. Think about cleaning in a busy place, like a mall, warehouse, or airport. People walking everywhere, spills happening randomly, dirt piling up in seconds. Most machines, they just follow a path. They don't know what's happening, so they clean, even when there's nothing to clean, and miss spots when it actually matters. BG1 flips that completely. It doesn't just move. It looks, it decides, and then it acts, all in real time. Let's say someone spills a drink. A normal machine, it'll just roll right over it, maybe spread it even more. BG1, it sees the spill instantly. And here's the wild part. It actually changes how it cleans on the spot. It pulls back the sweeping brushes so it doesn't spread the mess, then increases pressure to scrub it properly, right there, in one go. No second pass. No human stepping in. Just done. And it's not just reacting. It's efficient too. Instead of sweeping first, then scrubbing later, BG1 does both at the same time. One pass, wide coverage, less time. So what used to take multiple machines, or multiple rounds, now happens in a single smooth run. But none of this works without vision. And BG1 sees its environment in full 3D. It maps spaces, avoids people, handles tight paths, even in messy, crowded environments where things keep changing. Day, night, busy hours, it doesn't matter. It keeps adapting. And here's where it gets even more interesting. This thing can basically run all day without you touching it. It goes back on its own to refill water, drain waste, recharge, then gets right back to work. No reminders, no supervision. It just keeps going. But they didn't forget the human side either. You can hop on and drive it if needed. It signals people around it with lights and sounds. So it doesn't feel like a machine in the way. It feels like something that belongs in the space. And that's really the shift here. This isn't just about cleaning floors faster. It's about machines that understand what they're doing and adjust in real time. From reactive cleaning to proactive intelligence. So the question is, if robots can now see dirt, think, and clean on their own, what's the next everyday task that becomes fully autonomous?